Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all had a nice Christmas. Even we enjoyed our Christmas. I would be sharing with you how we spent our Christmas Eve, our night mass, and also the next day morning breakfast, the chicken stew. Hope you like it. Our regular photo shoot before the mass, and that corner we get pictures well in the whole house, so I prefer taking pictures in this corner for every occasion. On the Christmas Eve we went to the night mass and participated, seeking the blessings. After the mass, we went out to an Indian restaurant where we pre-booked a table. It was buffet system over there, and we had a lot of choices to choose and enjoy. My favorite section in this restaurant is this dessert corner where they make these jamuns and different kinds of payasam, kheers. So whenever I go, I have two or three varieties of kheer compulsory. Now this is my chicken stew which I made in the Kerala style, which I'll be sharing with you now. So to make the chicken stew, take some cleaned chicken and also some potatoes, and in a pan take some garam masala and add these chicken and potatoes together. Add some salt to taste and also a spoon of vinegar. It's an option. If you feel you don't need vinegar, you can avoid it. Add some water and let it cook for some time. Keep checking it. Once it is cooked properly, you can turn off the flame and make preparations for the gravy. I'm taking some chopped ginger garlic, onions, green chilies, red chilies, curry leaves. In order to make it look colorful, I took both the colored chilies. And also take a pan and add some coconut oil to it. You can add any other oil if you like. And once it's hot, it reaches a smoking point, add all these ingredients one by one, starting with the chopped ginger and garlic. The onions need not be fried too much because it's a stew. At this point, I'm taking 1 spoon of crushed black pepper, cumin seeds, and also 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can use corn flour and any other flour if you want to, but then I feel all-purpose flour or maida is good for this too. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of garam masala and also salt. I already added some salt and garam masala to the chicken, so based on that I am taking little more. Now add the cooked meat and also the potatoes to the gravy and stir it properly. At this point, I am adding some coconut milk to it. This time I tried the tinned coconut milk, which we got it from a store here. It was not bad. It had a lot of cream in it. So I used for some other curries as well. After adding the coconut milk, I left it in the low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And now the stew is ready. You can have it with bread or appam, which we normally have in Kerala. So this was my Christmas breakfast. It's simple and easy. Do try it. If you're a vegetarian, you can try the same procedure with the vegetables. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the new year with some other new recipes and new topics. Till then, bye. Take care of yourselves.